In an effort to help pet owners identify if their cat is suffering from mobility problems and pain, Professor Duncan Lascelles has created this easy-to-follow guide. Professor Lascelles is a world-famous veterinarian whose specialty is in pain management and in particular, pain in cats. Arthritis can make even a young cat feel old. When your cat no longer wants to play, groom, jump, use the litter tray, or even go outside, these are sure signs that your cat is suffering in silence. Arthritis is a debilitating disease that is often undiagnosed in cats because they have naturally evolved to hide the signs of pain. While dogs are pack animals and more openly show discomfort to gain sympathy and protection from the pack, cats are very different. Cats are solitary animals and fear any sign of weakness which will make them vulnerable to attack. Cats are very clever in hiding pain, so you have to look very closely to observe the telltale signs. What is arthritis? Arthritis is characterized by inflammation, the deterioration of the cartilage, soft tissue changes, bone changes, and new bone production in unwanted places. In effect, all parts of the joint deteriorate and pain is produced from all these processes. Pain is a constantly hidden part of life for a cat suffering from arthritis, so they silently suffer, unlike a dog who is less afraid to show pain. But the fact is, they are suffering in silence. Clinical studies have shown that cats as young as 2 years old can suffer from arthritis, and over 90% of cats aged over 12 are affected. Unfortunately, only 7% of cats are actually treated for arthritis by a veterinarian. Pet owners are often fooled by their cats into thinking, this is just a part of my cat growing old. Cats also can have arthritis on both sides of their body, and this also makes it harder to detect. Cat owners need to be a pain detective. Some of the subtle ways you can detect if your cat is suffering from arthritis are as follows. 1. If your cat used to jump from a table, bed, or bench and now walks slowly down the table, bed, or bench, or hesitates to jump or reaches down before jumping, this suggests that the landing from a height is causing pain and may be a sign of arthritis. I'm sure you can remember when your cat was younger how it used to jump up on the table, bench, or bed. Now observe how your cat has to complete the same task with the aid of a chair or something to reduce the distance and lessen the use of the aching limbs and joints. 2. Your younger cat also would have no difficulty racing up a flight of stairs. Your older cat may need to move slowly and rest while climbing gingerly, or goes upstairs awkwardly, maybe with a bunny hop movement. 3. Your cat might also have lost the willingness to play the way they used to. 4. There can also be problems in simple things like using a litter tray. The pain associated with adopting a squat position may increase the chances of cystitis and urinating in inappropriate places. 5. An arthritic cat is also less likely to go outside, sleeps more, does not groom so freely, and will look unkept. 6. The arthritic cat in pain can also show signs of anxiety and aggressive behavior, biting or vocalization when being stroked, reduced interest in people and their environment, and loss of normal interaction with other animals. All changes that are associated with pain. Arthritis is a lifelong condition that can significantly impact a cat's quality of life and that of the owner. It is therefore important to identify the signs of arthritis sooner than later. The later it is left, the harder it is to manage. So, in summary, if your cat shows any of the signs we've discussed in this video, you should take your cat to your vet and ask for a full examination. Even cats in senior years will have a better quality of life if treated, rather than being left to suffer in silence. We hope this video has helped you and your cat. We thank our friends at Vets Pets Antonol for assisting with the making of this video.